My name is Patrick Murphy. I live in Boulder. The Boulder Muni monopoly maelstrom continues to suck the time, money, and integrity out of Boulder's citizens. This week is the beginning of a repeat of the Boulder paper Muni mirage. The 2011 2C Muni ballot that barely passed stipulated that Council could only create a Muni if the Council determines it can charge rates that do not exceed those rates charged by Xcel Energy at the time of acquisition and pay for operating expenses and debt payments plus an additional 25% of the debt payments. There's no math on earth that can make that happen when the day one total debt will be over $750 million. The higher courts determined that just saying it can be done is not enough. You have to prove it. You can't prove it because it's impossible. Boulder is the Don Quixote of municipalization. Instead of tilting at windmills, we should be providing wind incentives with the carbon tax we're already collecting. The bulk of that carbon tax isn't used for carbon reduction. How hypocritical is that? The planet burns while Boulder fiddles, and supporters of the Muni and the detractors of Xcel ignore the deep, fatal flaws of the Boulder Muni monopoly. The Xcel regulated monopoly will have over 10 times the entire electric usage of Boulder in renewables this year. It would be more if we'd collaborate instead of litigate. Perhaps Xcel didn't accept Boulder's bid for a solar garden because the other bidders weren't threatening to leave. And those others agreed to convert all their streetlights to LEDs. Boulder rejected the LEDs that would save money and reduce carbon. Did Yael Gishon, Boulder's energy sustainability coordinator, lament that in her recent Camera article? No. Explain that anti-LED decision without sounding like a fool that would rather litigate than collaborate.